Harley-Davidson Sportster 883. This is a complete different bike from just a regular Sportster. It is being converted to a 1200cc bike. I mean, we know that the 883 used to make just above 50 horsepower at the crank. Now the 1200 engine from Harley-Davidson makes just over 60 at the crank. I mean, I'm here at BHP UK and they're actually trying to get rid of this bike. So it is up for sale, up for grabs. And as you can imagine, this bike has been completely customized and it's running their beautiful and bespoke map that enhances its power as well. We're going to talk about what they were able to achieve on the dyno with this Harley-Davidson 883 converted to 1200 Sportster. Now, let's start it up and hear what it sounds like. Jesus Christ, mate. Right, we can all agree that this is what Harley-Davidson are all supposed to sound like, but unfortunately nowadays they don't sound like this anymore. Obviously they don't even make this model anymore. They've completely swapped over to liquid cooled engines. So we have the Nightster, the Sportster S, completely different engines. One of the most important changes that you might want to do as a Harley-Davidson owner is obviously pay the Harley tax, as they say, and add an air filter, full system exhaust. Here we have a Vance Hines exhaust, and you just heard how amazing it sounds. And Kyle here obviously has worked his magic with this bike, and it looks crazy. It's even got front fork emulators, or completely changed front forks, Öhlins shocks at the back. And as I put my leg over it, oh my God. Oh yeah, this does not feel like a standard Harley at all, you know, actually. The mid-position foot pegs haven't been changed to forwards. This is what most people do with Harley-Davidson. They usually just put them right over there. So I'm 6 foot tall, and you know, I'm sitting actually very comfortably.
I've ridden this bike on the road.
It's very soft in the back, to be honest. Yeah.
Honestly, it handles so well.
Is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't have. It doesn't.
Any Sportster I've ever ridden.
It definitely doesn't feel like a Harley, to be honest. To sit on it, yeah.
The only problem is it stops like a Harley.
It stops like a Harley. Anyways, let's go through some of the results that the guys here at BHP UK have been able to achieve on this Harley-Davidson 1200 Sportster. So as you can see from this plot here, the standard 883 blue line stops at 45.42 horsepower at the wheel at 5,800 RPM, and after the remap and the 1200cc conversion, the bike is now putting out 73.87 horsepower at the wheel, a huge 28.45 horsepower gain over the regular Iron 883. Now, in terms of torque, you can see the blue line here, the 883 Sportster tops out at 61.92 Newton meters at 4,700 RPM, and after the remap with the 1200cc conversion, it gained a huge 42.26 Newton meters of torque at exactly 104.19 at 4,300 RPM. No wonder why this Sportster is so much more fun to ride, but it's also smoother throughout the range. And that's pretty much a wrap on the Harley-Davidson 883 that is now for sale here at BHP UK. So definitely go check them out if you live in the area or in the UK. Definitely worth visiting their headquarters because there's so much happening all the time here in terms of project bikes and custom bikes, just like this one. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.